Hi everyone, still on trigonometric ratios questions. I believe you are enjoying it so far. If you are here to enjoy mathematics, and I also believe you are learning it if you are here to learn mathematics. Okay, it says from the diagram below, this diagram, M is the midpoint of line segment XZ. This M is the midpoint of line segment XZ, meaning that here is half half. You divided this triangle into half. This side is equal to this side because this line divided it into two equal parts. Okay, so then we said that we should calculate number A, line segment MZ. From here to here, we should calculate it. Then B, we should also calculate XZ from here to here. That is the complete line. First complete this one, then if we solve for this, we already know this one because they are equal. Okay, we still say we should find it. Then we should also find this angle, right? Now let's solve without wasting time. Now we will first of all solve here. Okay, so we need here, let's name here A, for example. Now from our SOCA tool, right, we will make use of tan because tan theta says equals to opposite all over adjacent. This is right angle triangle here. Okay, so now it is tan 32 degrees will be equals to opposite, which is A. We are looking for all over adjacent to this angle, which is 6. Making A subject of formula, we now have A equals to 6 times tan 32, which will give us 6 times tan 32 is what? 0.625. And when we multiply out, we have 3.75. Okay, cm. Here is 3.75 cm. Then it will be addition of this one because here will also, here since they are equal, here will also be 3.75 cm. So addition of two of them will now give us, we have solved for, will now give us this. Okay, so remember that for number A, MZ is now 3.75. Then number B, which is XZ, will now give us what? 3.75 plus 3.75, which will now give us 7.5 cm. Now moving on to solve for theta. Now we now combine them. It's still tan. Okay, since we have found all of this place to be 7.5, it will now still be tan theta plus 32 equals to opposite all over adjacent. Calculating for theta, okay, it will now be tan opposite all over adjacent. It will now be tan theta plus 32 because I'm using all of the triangle now, equals to, here all of this place is 7.5 over here, which is adjacent, then divide by 6, which is equals to 1.25 when you divide them. Now taking the tan inverse of this, okay, we now have here theta plus 32 equals to tan inverse of 1.25, and when we get it from our calculator, it will give us what? 51.34. Okay, now let's all find our theta. Our theta will now become, collecting the right term, this one move to this side, it will now be 51.34 minus 32, and when we minus them, it will now give us what? 19.34 degrees. So the angle becomes 19.34 34 degrees. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, follow, like, comment and share. God bless. Bye.